Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. We're very, very excited about our brand new super cleaning products, which are packed in the already well-known nano packages. Now, would you rather take what we've been doing for years and take a 5-gallon pail, using a spigot, maybe even a measuring glass, turning it over, when all we're trying to do is get a ready-to-use 32-ounce bottle of product? I mean, most of these things are 4-to-1. It's about as strong as you can get them because they have to have water. Or is it going to be a lot easier for you to take one of these nano pails and just fill the bottle up with water, give it one pump, and you're ready to go? We're going to go ahead and show you how to do that, how to break it down, plus all the benefits of a nano product and the nano systems. Check it out. We're going to show you the difference between the 3D Super Soap, also known as a nano pail or nano drums, contrast to the current product we have is the 3D Pink Car Soap. Now, both of them are great products. It's just how easy it is now for you to be able to get to those finished goods. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you what are the steps to be able to break it down, and we're going to do it through a foam cannon. Breakdown is a little easier than just doing a regular typical bucket. So we filled this up to 800 milliliters of water because we had to put 4 ounces of Pink Car Soap in here. We're going to take it, tip it down. Ooh, it's so pretty. About 5 ounces of soap here. But because of the thickness of it, we'll probably lose about a ½ ounce of soap pouring it into here. A little over 900 milliliters of finished goods. Give it a little bit of back and forth. And you're ready to hook that baby up to a foam cannon. Now we've actually been able to provide the same amount of finished goods out of a 64-ounce nano pail as you get out of this 5-gallon pail. It's pretty unique, it's pretty awesome. I actually enjoy it very much. And not only that, but you get a beautiful raspberry type scent when you open this thing. So for the 64-ounce Super Soap, all you're gonna need is a 2/3 ounce pump. Fill this baby up, just about 900 milliliters. Sorry, we're in the United States, I know it's an odd number. And wham, 1 pump. And that's it. Some people might call that a 1-pump chump. I have friends that are that, relate to that. Screw it on. A little bit of back and forth. It's done. And now you're ready to foam cannon this bad boy out, and we will go ahead and show you the comparison if you haven't seen it already. Now you got 6 ounces of regular Pink Car Soap in this 32-ounce bottle. And we're going to fire this baby up. We got good foam to do this car with the soap. And the idea is doing as least amount of touch as possible. Do the same procedure we did before. A little back and forth, and look at how quickly and easy it mixes. Set it up, and here we go. Wow, look at that foamability. Thing's amazing. Remember, this is only about 3/4 ounces. Not only does it have great foamability, but you'll see in a second how much rinsability we have here. Get a nice little close-up on how much this foam sticks on here. Look at that. It's got great build. It means breaking down loose dirt particles. Now we're comparing this to, I think we did 4 ounces, maybe 6 ounces of Pink Car Soap. And for those of you who have used Pink Car Soap foams really well. You can see how much build we have on it. Also depends on pressure and water and how much foam you're going to get. Now we're going to check out the rinsability here. And wow, look at that. It comes right off. All that foam still comes right off. Not hard. And the one thing that's important about it is, you know, you want to make sure you're a little water conscious as well. So if it takes way more water, you're going to spend more water. So you're not going to have to worry about that. So rinsability, check. We've marked that off in the box. You got very, very good rinsability. We'll look at the cleanability here. It looks very clean. Look at the tires, nice and clean. The car looks nice. So basically all we'll have to do now is dry it off. Hey guys, we appreciate you coming by and checking us out at 3D Products and being able to check out our brand new nano pail system. Now the nano pails give you the same great finished goods, easier to take out of these smaller pails, these hyper concentrates that are homogeneous, that be able to make it so that you can be able to take this hyper concentrated product and in 1 pump create the same amount of finished goods that come with these 5-gallon pails broken down at 4-to-1. You can see how much easier it is to do and really how much quality product you can get. You get 132-ounce bottles of finished goods out of these nano pails as opposed to 132-ounce bottles of finished goods out of a 5-gallon pail. It's just easier to get there, easier to store, and much easier to use when it comes to breaking down the product. We hope this helped you out. Hope it brought up some clarity of the benefit of the nano pails, and we hope that you guys join and look us up next time. Keep up to date with all 3D's latest, greatest, innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams. We'll see you then.